Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create this summer vibe makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoy. First, I am brushing out my eyebrows with a brow brush. So I just discovered that Maybelline had this amazing brow duo pencil, which is half pencil and on the other end is an attached mini blending sponge with tinted shade. So when you're doing your eyebrows, this gives your eyebrows a more natural look. As you guys can see, I am using the pencil side to give my eyebrows the shape that I want it to be. Once that is done, I use the sponge side to color in and blend out my eyebrows to make them look more natural. Oh my gosh guys, I am so in love right now. This is like the perfect eyebrow pencil to stay in your bag. So I would definitely recommend for you guys to give it a try. I will always say this, but Q-tips will always be your best friend when it comes to your eyebrows. You can use it to clean out your smudges and define your brow look, so don't forget. Once I have my eyebrows to look the way that I want them to be, I use Ulta Beauty's Full Coverage Concealer to highlight my brow area. Before applying eyeshadow, I applied Ulta Beauty's Matte Eye Primer to prime my eyelids. If you guys have any suggestions on a different eye primer, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll definitely run out to give it a try. In this step, I am using BH Cosmetics eyeshadow brush number 103 to set in my eyelids with this nude shade. After that, I am using BH Cosmetics eyeshadow brush 104 to blend in this orangey shade to the middle and ends of my crease area. Once that is done, I am using BH Cosmetics 101 brush to blend out my eyeshadows. With BH Cosmetics 105 brush, I will be using this darker pink shade to darken my crease area to make my eyes stand out more. Once that is done, I am going back to blend with brush 101. So this Kokie Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow is so affordable and amazing that I would recommend for you guys to go for it. You can look cute and be on a budget at the same time. Sounds like a win-win to me. I am actually doing things a little more different this time with my eyeliner. I'm going to apply this blue eyeliner from L'Oreal Paris before applying my black eyeliner on top. I wanted to do a blue since summer is coming and we all just want positive vibes, so hopefully this color will give us that. Right here, I am using Urban Decay's black liquid eyeliner to go over my blue eyeliner. With BH Cosmetics 101 brush, I will do a final step blending out my eyeshadows together with a very light tint of this dark pinkish purple shade at the ends of my crease to make my eyes stand out more. Before applying foundation, I am priming my face with Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine Fixing Spray. I am applying a little of L'Oreal's Paris Lumi Glotion before applying my True Match foundation in Classic Ivory on top. This glotion gives my skin the extra glow. I love it so much, so I definitely recommend it for you guys to give it a try. Now I will be contouring my face with Anastasia's Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit. I truly believe cream contours are easier when it comes to blending. With Huda Beauty's Overachiever Concealer, I will be using it to cover up my under eye areas. Huda never disappoints me with her products. It's so amazing. Once that is done, I am going to bake my face with L'Oreal Paris setting powder in shade 612 and set my face with it. I am curling my lashes before applying my falsies later. So like I heard we're all sleeping on BH Cosmetics highlighters. Like look at this. Wow, I'm like so amazed. Take my money already. So I wanted my lips to somewhat match my eyes. First I started off applying this NYX Cosmetics lip cream before applying Kylie's shimmery lipstick to give my lips that glow. To finish off the look, I set my face with Milani's Make It Last setting spray. And bam! Some e.l.f. Cosmetics natural lashes. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.